Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate a map view for your Flutter macOS application. Now firstly I'm showing you guys this issue, like there is this pending issue in which gesture recognizer like click, drag, drop, those kind of things are not supported yet. The issue is from Flutter side itself. I can't really do anything about it, so you can track this issue, but once this issue is resolved, automatically you can do drag and drop, all those kind of stuff for your macOS application, for your map view as well. So yeah, be mindful of this. Next I have built my macOS application, and here you can see I am able to display a map view as well as put a marker on a particular location on that particular map view. Now I won't be able to drag and drop because of this particular issue. Here you can see if I try to click on anything in the console, in the terminal itself, you are facing this issue. It refers to this one. I think they are waiting for Google I/O to close it. I could be wrong, but by the time you watch this video, hopefully it should get resolved. So let's see how to do this. So I'll just stop this for now. So here I have created a Flutter project, and here I have just refactored my home page widget to be a stateful widget. And if you see, I am taking the width and height so that my map view can occupy the entire width and height. I have taken a scaffold, a safe area, and the size box as well. Now this size box is important because inside this is a custom widget which I have created, which will help us to wrap the native view of macOS of map, and we are passing the latitude and longitude from Flutter side. If you don't use this size box, then your widget won't display. That's why size box is important, or you can use container as well. Now for this my macOS view, I have created this file, and I have added this identifier as well. Same identifier you will have to use it on the native macOS side as well. I have taken the latitude and longitude, then I have created a creation params map so that I can pass that latitude and longitude back to native macOS side as well. And here we are initializing our key. Now this key is important because if you change the latitude and longitude on Flutter side, the widget should get updated. That's why, and for that we have also overridden this method as well. And inside build, if I am checking if it is macOS, then just display an AppKit view where I am passing our key, our identifier, as well as our map, and these are boilerplate code, this text direction as well as standard message code. Next you will have to go to your macOS, open the XE workspace inside Xcode. I have already done that. Go to main Flutter window first, and this is boilerplate code which you have to write for any kind of a native view integration for macOS. Only thing which you have to be careful about, this name should be the same whatever you have defined it on the Flutter side. So over here same name, and I have created this Swift file called my macOS view native factory. You can name it whatever you feel like. So again, ignore this error, like this is an Xcode issue. This won't affect your app in any ways. And here I have created this Swift file, my macOS native. I have imported mapkit. Again, this is all boilerplate code which you have to write for integrating any kind of a native view. Next, here we are instantiating our map view. Map type is standard, show scale true, show compass true, show traffic, show buildings. Again, you can change this value to whatever you feel like. Then we are getting the latitude as well as the longitude which we were sending it from Flutter side. And then I am creating a CL location coordinate 2D. So I am creating a location. Now to put a marker, we have to use MK point annotation. I'm passing our location to our coordinate. Title, you can assign whatever title you like, and then you have to do mapview.add annotation, pass over annotation. Then I have also set the region so that the camera should focus on that particular area which we are pointing to. So here I have set the region radius. Coordinate region I have constructed using MK coordinate region, passing our location, region radius for latitude and longitude meters, and then we just do map view.set region, pass our coordinate region, and animated is true, and at the end we are just returning our map view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.